Welcome back to my loungers. I have my friend Gia here, who is getting a jumbo twist install. She showed me a video of another friend of hers who did it, and we're going to just mock and mimic what she did. So she has 25 twists like the girl in the video. And I'm just going to start from the back. I went on ahead and braided everything and parted everything ahead of time so I can just crochet the hair in and keep going. So that's what you should see me doing here. So here I used the Mio rice water and aloe vera braid gel too. If you're looking for a braid gel, this one is a really good one. Here is the hair we're using. We use 3 packs of this hair. It is in 42 inches, pre-stretched. So you want to make sure that it is pre-stretched when you do like a braid or twist style. So you see me here. I have the jumbo crochet needle. You're gonna make sure want to make sure you have the bigger crochet needle that has the wider hook so you can fit the hair in there. I actually changed my technique as I got to the top, which I'll show you as far as pulling the hair through, because this was taking too long and it was getting tangled up and I couldn't figure out which part of the hair needed to be pulled and which part of the hair needed to stay. So I'll show you guys how I changed up how I actually pulled the hair through at the top of her head. So now I use the gel to put on her actual hair so it can kind of blend in with the weave hair. And so you want to make sure you have that on your actual hair, which will be in the middle. Then you're going to split that in half and evenly across so that you can blend it in with the 2 sides to make the actual twist. So I'm twisting the hair itself and twisting it around itself at the same time to make it a little bit tighter and to actually hold the twist in. So here you see me just twisting, twisting, twisting. Again, you're gonna roll that hair you see it in my right hand. I'm kind of twisting that hair around itself as I twist down. And you're gonna do that throughout the whole entire twist to keep it a little bit tighter and have a good grip. Don't worry if you're not the best twister. It's okay. Like, just keep practicing. So this is how your twist should look once you put them in. It should look like this just your hair. Okay, so here is when I started. Well, I started way before this part, but as you can see, I'm putting the crochet hook at the bottom of her braid. I am grabbing the hair in the middle and like a little pincher, you want to hold it that way so that you can hook it around the actual opening, close the latch, pull it through. And then what I started doing was just holding the hair in my left hand and then pulling the other side through to the right side so that I can have the section separated. That made it easier to pull the hair through. So then you're going to get your gel like I showed you before. You're going to rub it down the hair shaft of your real hair, or the person you're doing's real hair, so that it's easier to blend in with the weave hair. Then you're going to separate it into 2 parts so that you can blend it in with each side. You're going to take the hair itself, pull it together, twist, and roll it and twist it down into the actual twist itself. Sorry, my arm is in the way. My bad. But if you can understand what I'm saying and follow what I'm saying, maybe that'll help you. So you're going to twist each side and twist down. You're going to rotate the hair around itself and twist down. Rotate, twist. Rotate, twist down. Rotate, twist down. Rotate, twist down. Rotate, twist down. Okay? You're going to keep doing that. When you get closer to where your hair ends, you're going to want to probably add some more gel in that little small area there, and then just keep twisting the actual weave hair all the way down to the end. As you can see, I'm kind of just making sure that it's not matted and detangled all the way throughout so that it doesn't start sticking out. So now that all the twists are done, you're going to want to get some hot water, dip the ends of your hair in there, and then that's it. So we just put her hair up in a bun so that she don't have to do anything to it, but just get up and go, honey. So this is how it looks, the final look. Her bun was kind of lopsided. I was like, ooh, girl, you're going to fix that in the mirror, but I did it from the back, so whatever. She loved it. Yay! So my friend was happy with her hair. That's all that matters to me. Tell Pookie I said what's up. Like, share, subscribe. See y'all in my next one. Peace.